My name's Tayyauba Sheikh. I'm from the UK and I'm a counsellor. This retreat workshop surpassed my expectations by far. There was so much I learned about myself that I didn't even think that was going to be part of what I was going to learn. The biggest thing that I discovered about myself is that my intuition is something that I should believe in and follow, and that I am really strong. Physically, mentally, I started with a smile and I ended with a smile, and I never thought I would do that, but I did. And this will probably make me feel really emotional. The coach, his wife, all of the staff, everyone, whether we were in the villa or out of the villa, they kept us safe all the time, and absolutely recommend the country, but also the retreat. For women, you don't need to even think twice. Everything, just amazing, absolutely amazing. Do you know when people who know me will say, she's never speechless, but I am truly speechless. You know when you're so overwhelmed with love and respect and value, and they see your potential, but they also make you feel loved at the same time? That was in every team member. So they're very carefully picked out, and they know how to look after us. And we're all different. We come from different places. Our upbringing is all different. But it's almost like everything is bespoke, even though it's a workshop for all of the ladies together. We're all different. So the team is very carefully selected, and we are accommodated individually, so our needs are met. And it's so beautiful. It's seamless from coach to his wife to all of the team members. You know, it's not like you come here to fault people, but when you see excellence, that's what makes it feel so. It's like the bonus, the cherry on the top. The food was, the food was amazing, really tasty, really flavoursome. And I think the added love and warmth was when Migali was serving us as well. Actually made me quite tearful, because as a mother, I am pouring and I'm giving for everyone. And here I felt like she was really caring for us. So that was beautiful. The investment is priceless. If there's anything that I have felt so relieved, relaxed, best decision I have made in my life is this. Coming here, you know, my children are all grown up now, and I had to do something for me. I can't think of anything better to do than this. So I'm so glad. The investment, I didn't even think about it, because this not just doubles, triples. You forget that this has even cost, because it's like your family. It's like you're a guest, so you don't even think of the investment. I think I've said it before. Well, how does he know me better than me? But the age I'm at, I think I would know myself. But every time I was like, no, I can't do this, he's like, you're doing it. And for that moment, I'd be like, oh, no. He is amazing. He is amazing. However, without his wife, Migali, who is the real powerhouse, which I've just said that to her, she is his confidence. And together as a team, the message is for both of them, because they are a team and they come together. One doesn't come without the other. That keep doing what you're doing. You are amazing. I have so much respect and love for both of them. And I'm so, so glad our paths met.